Welcome back to my channel. How to sell products on Amazon. Selling products on Amazon is a great way to reach a large audience of potential customers and grow your business. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started. Create an Amazon seller account. The first step to selling on Amazon is to sign up for a seller account. You can do this by visiting the Amazon Services website and choosing the plan that fits your business needs. There are two types of plans: the individual plan, which charges a fee for each item sold, and the professional plan, which charges a monthly fee. List your products. Once you have a seller account, you can start listing your products on Amazon. To create a listing, you will need to provide a detailed product description, images, and pricing information. Be sure to include accurate and detailed information about your products to help customers make informed purchasing decisions. Optimize your listings. To increase the visibility of your products in Amazon search results, you will need to optimize your listings. This can be done by including relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions, and using high-quality images that accurately represent your products. Fulfill orders. Once your products start selling, you will need to process orders and ship the products to customers. Amazon provides a variety of fulfillment options, including fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) and fulfillment by Merchant (FBM). With FBA, Amazon handles the storage, packing, and shipping of your products, while with FBM, you handle all of these tasks yourself. Manage your inventory. It's important to keep track of your inventory levels and reorder products as needed to ensure that you never run out of stock. Amazon provides tools to help you manage your inventory, including the Inventory Dashboard and the Restock Inventory tool. Monitor your performance. To track your sales, customer reviews, and other metrics, you can use Amazon's reporting tools such as the business reports and the order reports. These tools will help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your business. Follow Amazon's policies. To avoid any issues with your account, it's important to comply with all of Amazon's terms of service and policies. This includes adhering to Amazon's pricing policies, shipping policies, and customer service policies. Optimize your product's visibility. There are a lot of factors that will determine how your products are ranked in Amazon's search results. These factors include things like product reviews, customer engagement, and your product's overall relevance to the search query. To increase your product's visibility, you should focus on building customer loyalty and engagement by providing excellent customer service and building a strong brand. Use Amazon's marketing tools. Amazon offers several marketing tools that can help you promote your products and increase your sales. Some of these tools include sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display. These tools can help you reach a larger audience and increase your visibility on Amazon. Analyze your sales data. To determine what's working and what's not, you should regularly analyze your sales data. You can use Amazon's built-in analytics and reporting tools to track your sales, customer reviews, and other metrics. You can also use third-party analytics tools to gain a deeper understanding of your customers and sales data. In conclusion, selling on Amazon can be a great way to reach a large audience of potential customers and grow your business. With the right strategies and tools, you can optimize your product's visibility, increase customer engagement, and grow your business on Amazon. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful business on Amazon, but with patience and hard work,